For this short video, I'm going to show you what Blackboard looks like and all of the important information on Blackboard. To start with, Blackboard will open to the course announcements page. So always pay attention there to see what announcements I post. You must take the course entry quiz. You'll notice you have to have it taken by August 27th. However, to be honest, you're not going to be able to do much in this course until you have taken that course entry quiz. So you're going to miss other assignments while you're procrastinating. So make sure you take the course entry quiz. Along the side, you'll see a Getting Started button. Here you'll notice I have a welcome video, a tour of Blackboard video, syllabus, online calendar, and an online orientation, as well as some netiquette rules. It's important that we pay attention to those since we are going to be working together online. Underneath that is the syllabus button. Notice your syllabus posted here. Testing center information, that's going to be very important. You have to go to the testing center to take all of your tests. So here's the website for the testing center student agreement, the reservation form, and then a form in case you're going to need an alternate proctor. If for some reason you are further than I believe 50 miles from one of our testing centers, you can do an alternate proctor. However, I do need 2 weeks notice to approve this. So if that's going to be you, go ahead and get on that right away so that we're not worried about it at the last minute and scrambling to get it done. Next, you'll see a button titled Instructor Information. This is where you'll find my contact information. And then the next button is a button for your weekly checklists, and each week your new checklist will show up here, and all you do is click your weekly checklist and it should open in Microsoft Word. You can print your weekly checklist and then use it exactly as I keep calling it, a checklist. So you go through it to make sure that you get everything done, as well as make sure that you ask questions if you have them. So here's your first checklist. And then if we go to the course documents button, there will be a folder for each week. You'll notice that the week 1 folder is up here already. If we click on the week 1 folder, you won't be able to see all those other weeks. They're not ready yet. But if we click on week 1, we've got learning objectives, videos, PowerPoint summary. And then for this week, because I know that it might take some of you a little while to get your lab manual, I did post the labs for this week. And then, of course, I'll always post the keys for the ones that you don't have to turn in. But I'm not going to post them any other week except this one, so get to the bookstore ASAP so that you can get your lab manual. You'll notice that there was an announcement instructing you to register for My Math Lab through Blackboard. If you just click on this My Math Lab button, I believe yours will look different than mine, but you just go through here and register for My Math Lab, and I posted instructions on how to do that. This submissions button here, this will be the link for where you submit things. Some of these need to be updated, but that's what it looks like. And actually, if you were to click on one of these, you won't be able to currently see Excel Lab for submission, but you can attach your file, browse my computer, pick your file, and then once you have picked your file and attached it, you can write me a note if you want, or just click Submit at the bottom. The discussion board and the group discussion board are going to be very important to you. I apologize for my computer. So here's one of your first ones. Introduce yourself. It's due by Wednesday, August 20th at 11 p.m. Tell us a little bit about yourself. You will use groups often, so sometimes you'll be instructed to go to the group discussion board. You actually will go to the group discussion board this first week of class. I will keep attendance through this attendance button so you can see whether you've been marked present or absent. That's important. And then My Grades is the other one. You'll want to go to My Grades, and when you go here, you'll be able to see the grades that I have put in for you. Alright, so from here you should continue looking at the information and getting started and print out your weekly checklist so that you can get started and not fall behind.